Hello traders, Dan here. Let's take a look at the markets for March 2nd. So yesterday we had a bearish bias, but then Biden had his State of the Union thing, more war news, so on and so forth. So we kind of went home yesterday and we had a clear bias of under the low. We have a short bias over the high. We had a bullish bias. But even on the bullish bias, it wouldn't be, we're still in a downtrend on the daily and weekly, so they would just be kind of tradable bounces to red bar ignored to see how far up we could get into resistance and trying to find the best looking patterns. There's still a lot of bottoming patterns. Diamonds here, same. IWM, same. Looks like that can get up to the 50 MA, provided it gets over today's high. So we didn't want to add a lot of things overnight, taking the additional gap risk, but if things can take out today's high tomorrow, there's a number of bullish patterns, so that's one of them right there. IWM, Qs, same. And you got the 20 MA there, but you got a price void, and it looks like it can move higher with the red bar ignored. In the swing and options trader, we gave XL here. It was a gap reversal, bottoming pattern, red bar ignored, breakout with a price void. We gave that long into the close. MDT was actually in the weekend letter. Big old bottoming pattern, daily, weekly, a W bottom on the weekly, and we tightened the stop over yesterday's high, so that triggered today. We gave CVS as a bull call debit spread over the high. It did not trigger, but it still is valid. The weekly options trader, let's see, Intuit, we gave a put spread, a little bottoming pattern there, put spread for Friday. Ulta, wide range breakout, put spread for Friday. Amazon this morning we did a call spread, and it's not a great bearish pattern because these are all bullish bars in the top 80% of this. But we did it far away at 3150s over this 50 MA. We'll still have a stop over yesterday's high, but hopefully, just time decay for another 2 days. Booking, nice, beautiful 180 reversal here on major support. We did way far out of the money, the 1990s put spread. LMT was what we call a bear gap surprise, and at 932. I said it was good to go. We did the 474. Oh, I have this wrong. No, we did a 475, 500, and then once it started, selling off, we had a beautiful open gain, and I said move stop tighter or break even or the day's high, and it did trigger the day's high for a small profit. But a lot of these militaries are still way extended. So that's it on the new trades. Let me just go over a couple that are on our radar here. Snow post-market reported earnings. It's down to 186 right now. Post-market down almost $80. This thing is getting killed. On LSCC, it's making the turn here. Red bar ignored, converging MAs, price void over here. That's on our long list. On CSX, wide range bar on some major support, trading range. SPSC, red bar ignored, price void. Tomorrow over today's high looks great. FTI, wide range igniting breakout, daily, weekly. I'd like to see an inside bar or two. Hilton Hotels over today's high would be a put spread. EXPD bottoming pattern, little W bottom here over the high here. Climactic weekly, that could be a directional and a put spread. Both WIN, LVS have beautiful reversals today. UNH, nice gap over those two inside bars. Amgen over the high looks good. Argo, we traded this one the other day on the initial breakout, and now it's bullish consolidation over the high. That looks good. Tech, well, that thing's kept going. Caesar's Palace and Penn, also in the gaming area. Penn over the high. That looks fantastic. I'll set an alarm on that. Intel started off the day looking really good, and it kept going through resistance. Wow. Zip, that was a put spread idea on earnings. Plug, a plug over the high looks fantastic. I have an alarm set. And finally, GRWG, a little marijuana stock. If it can get over these highs, then, who knows? That might be the, this could be an intelligent long-term bottom, one of these little marijuana stocks. So I got alarm set. We'll keep you all posted. Good trading. We'll be in touch tomorrow, as always, in Telegram. Good trading all.